Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. You also need to have a GitHub account. If you do not have one, go to github.com and sign up. Next, you need to install the GitHub Copilot extension. Open Visual Studio Code. On the left side, click on the extension's icon. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot. Find the official extension from GitHub and click Install. Once it is installed, you need to sign in to GitHub from VSCode. A browser window will open asking for permission. Approve the request and return to VSCode. Now Copilot is ready to use. Copilot can work with many programming languages like Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and more. It can help you write loops, functions, and even test cases. That is how you set up and use GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code.